Overloaded and overlooked. What every driver needs to know. Driving a vehicle is more than just steering and speed. It's about knowing your limits, especially when it comes to how much weight your vehicle can safely carry. Every vehicle has a gross vehicle weight rating or GVWR. That's the maximum weight your car or truck can handle, including passengers, fuel, and cargo. And yes, even two similar looking vehicles can have different weight limit. Why? Because weight capacity depends on engineering, the engine, transmission, and suspension system. When you overload your vehicle or trailer, you put yourself and others at serious risk. Longer braking distance, reduced handling and steering control, higher rollover risk, especially for SUV and pickups, dangerous trail sway, increased chance of mechanical failure. Overloading isn't just a mistake, it's a safety hazard, and if you are involved in a collision, the consequences can be catastrophic. Here is how to make sure you are within your vehicle's safe capacity. Check the GVWR, usually found on the driver's side door post. Subtract the net weight of your unloaded vehicle from the GVWR. Weigh your vehicle at a certified scale if you are unsure. Do not let negligence weigh down your future. Be aware, be responsible. If you or someone you love has been hurt in an accident caused by vehicle overloading, we are here to help. At Solution Law, we know how to navigate complex cases and fight for the compensation you deserve.